Let's solve this equation quickly. It says 2 raised power x plus 2 raised power minus x is equal to 4. We're required to find the value of values for x. Firstly, we can rewrite this expression. So we have 2 raised power x plus. To rewrite this, when you have negative power, it means you have to invert. So we have 1 over whatever it's here. So 2 raised to power. Now the negative leaves to remain x. Okay, and this is equal to 4. Okay, now let's do something quickly. Let's assume that 2 raised power x is equal to y. Okay, so we have y plus 1 over y is equal to 4. Let's multiply each term here with y. So we have y times y is y squared, y times 1 over y is 1, and y times 4 is 4y. Okay, we're following these steps sequentially. Moving on from here, we have y squared minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so pressing 4y from both sides. Now from here, we would have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to 1. Okay, a is the coefficient of y squared, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. Let's use that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and this is from the quadratic formula. Okay, so we have that y will be equal to minus 4 is 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times a is 4 times 1 times 1, which is still 4 all over 2 times a, which is 2. Okay, from here we now have that y will be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 12 over 2. Moving on from here, we have that y will be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 12 is something as 2 root 3. Okay, all over 2. Then y will now be equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. Alright, so these are the values for y. Now, but remember that we said 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Hence, when we have y to be equal to 2 plus root 3, we now have 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay. Now, from here, we can hence take the logarithm of both sides. So let's take the logarithm. So we say logarithm of 2 raised to power x in base 2 is equal to logarithm of 2 plus root 3 in base 2. So from here we have that x will be equal to, okay, logarithm of base 2 of 2 plus root 3. Invariably, this is x1. Invariably, x2 will be equal to logarithm in base 2 of 2 minus root 3. Okay, so these are the values for x in this question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.